social work in Africa, for me, has got quite a lot of opportunities. Admittedly, it is a fairly new profession, uh, you know, brought forth by globalization and westernization, of African societies and communities. Um, it is you know because of that, a profession that is also unfortunately came rather late and found other professions already entrenched, you know, um, which then makes the need to aggressively probably find your feet, and the relevance quite urgent. Um, but it is a profession that is coming within a certain socio-cultural and economic and political context that is quite different from the socio-cultural and economic context of the countries and societies of origin. And then there is quite that presents some kind of opportunities, to one, indigenize the profession, by making it more responsive to the socio-cultural, and political and economic, circumstances, of Africa. By this, is meant an opportunity endemic in Africa, for probably the philosophy within the context of the philosophy of Ubuntu, UNU, or African spirit of communalism, um, African, ethos, of collectivism, um, you know, collective problem solving, um, collective, conflict management. For even example, the value that the African societies and communities cherish of peace and pursuing peaceful, coexistence, pursuing local, economic development, valuing, a robust and good family, institution, valuing the sanctity of the family, institution, including marriage, upbringing of children, valuing collective or communal approaches to child welfare and to child, you know, um, uh, upbringing, wherein children then come to belong not to this or that family, but belonging to the whole community, with the all adult members of that community having the right, to nurture, the right to correct, and the right to, grow or bring up, a child within the confines of locally cherished, communal values and ethos rather. For me, that's a fertile ground of opportunity that social workers must seize and then ensure, that they propagate, ensure that they nurture, that kind of a spirit to the advancement, of child welfare, to the advancement of, you know, even the problems associated with other vulnerable children, other vulnerable groups in society. Last but not least, the other opportunity that I see is also that Africa is a conflict region, continent, particularly on account of the varied, developments, political developments, on the continent. And the social work for me may need to do more to exploit, this window, of opportunity for the furtherance of the growth of the profession, particularly the aspect of conflict resolution, conflict management, peace building, and the related, areas where I feel probably other, disciplines have even really exploited. And this then also resonates well with the current discourse, that the profession is taking around human rights and the social, justice. So the impediments that we currently have is that social work has not been able to really practically define, and internalize, and practice, you know, the human rights and the social justice, aspects of it, at a macro, level. What we instead see are micro, sporadic, erratic, if you may call it, approaches to, social justice through child welfare advocates, and related, issues. So that has tended to trivialize the profession. That has tended to, make it, sort of of less importance than the other, entrenched and esteemed professions. So there is quite a lot of, effort that social workers need to really, invest in making sure that social justice and the human rights, agenda receives the primacy in their dealings with society. Thank you.